So today I am solving the problem number 2 from the exercise 12.1. I am referring the this textbook. The chapter name is surface area and volume. The first question we have been solved last class. I have solved in the last video. Today I am solving the second problem, that is a vessel is in the form of hollow sphere. एक vessel है, उसका hollow sphere है. It is mounted on the hollow cylinder. So it has been mounted on the one vessel is there in the form of a hollow hemisphere. This vessel is there in the form of hollow sphere hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. On that they mounted by a hollow cylinder. Hemisphere is in hollow. It is mounted by a hollow cylinder. Up above the hemisphere there is a hollow cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. The diameter of this hemisphere is 14 centimeters. So what is the total height of a hemisphere? Vessel is, the total height of a vessel is 13 centimeter. So what it has been asked, you have to find out the surface area of the vessel. The surface area, this total vessel, how much is this surface area of a vessel? For that, what we have to do is, first we will draw the diagram. Here we have seen that the hemisphere is drawn. Up above the hemisphere there is a cylinder. The total height of this vessel is 13. The diameter is 14 centimeters. So from the diameter we can calculate the diameter, the 14 centimeters. From the diameter we will calculate the radius. Radius is equals to r d by 2. So 14 by 2 will be 7 centimeters is radius. So the 7 centimeter is the radius of hemisphere. 7 centimeter is the radius of hemisphere, and we can say that this height of hemisphere is 7 centimeter. So the remaining height will be the height of a cylinder. So how this remaining part, this part is hemisphere radius, that is 7 centimeter, equals to hemisphere radius, that is 7 centimeters. We can see that total vessel size is 13 centimeters. So this part if we remove from this, we will get the cylinder height. So what we will do, the height of cylinder, the height of a cylinder is equals to 13 minus 7, that is 6 centimeter. So surface area of vessel is equals to surface area of cylinder, or we can say that the curved surface area of cylinder curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere. So what we will write here is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So this is a curved surface area of cylinder formula. This is a curved surface area of hemisphere formula. Now what we have to do is, we will substitute the value. We can write pi as 22 by 7, that is given. H is 7, r is 7 into h is 6. This height which we find out, it is 6 of cylinder, plus 2 into 22 by 7. Clear? So what is the, again r is r square, so we can write 7 into 7, 2 times 7. So we will cancel out this 7, this 7, we will cancel out this 7, this 7. So 222s are 44 into 6 plus 222s are 44 into 7. So what we will get, the answer is 44 6 are 264 plus 44 7s are 308. So when we add up this 8 9 10 11, okay fine, when we add we get 572 centimeters square. So the surface area of this vessel, this total vessel surface area is 572 centimeters square. Is it clear? So what we have, find out the surface area of vessel which has been asked. So we have add the curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. How we add? We have formula which we already given you. So from that formula we have substitute the formulas. To curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi rh. Curved surface of area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. We substitute the value of r and h from which we have calculated and solve. We got the surface area of a vessel as 572 centimeters square. So this was the second problem.